Good morning, guys. Today, our lesson is about multiplying with equal groups and also repeated addition, which you guys know what an important skill multiplication has been for third grade. And going forward into fourth grade, the numbers just get bigger. So if you haven't been practicing at home, please make time to practice your facts. It's not something that you can learn in one night. It's okay if you learn one new fact every day. That will get you there by the end of the summer and the beginning of fourth grade. So please continue practicing, and let's take a look at the strategies that we've learned this year to help us multiply, which is multiplying with equal groups and repeated addition. So take a look at the first picture that I drew for you. This is an equal groups picture, and beneath it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to write two different equations. One is going to be a traditional multiplication equation, a factor times a factor equals a product. And the second is going to be a repeated addition equation, something plus something plus something plus something equals the product again, or the total, okay? So when we're writing a multiplication equation about this picture, when it comes to equal groups, what you want to do is count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Times the number that is in each group. So how many counters are in each group? Not total, in each one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counters in each group. So we have 4 groups of 5, or 4 times 5. Do you know what 4 times 5 is? You could probably count by 5s to figure it out. 4 times 5, 10, 15, 20. Or you could use the counters to help you figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's more than one strategy to multiply and find the total number of counters or the product of 4 times 5. And we've talked about before this strong relationship that exists between multiplication and addition. That's why the number 20, you can kind of look at it like it's a product or like it's a total, because honestly, it's both, right? It's going to be the product of this multiplication equation. And now that we're going to write the repeated addition sentence, 20 is going to be the total that's here also. So let's check and see if that's really true. Is the product and the total of these two equations going to be the same? So we have something plus something plus something plus something. Do you know what number you can add 4 times to get 20? How about the number that they're using in this equal groups equation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. But is that true, Ms. Durso, or are you just saying that? I don't know. Let's check. Let's use our fingers to figure it out. So we know 5 plus 5 is 10, right? What about 10 plus 5 more? Well, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now we have 15. And 15 plus 5 more is what? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's true. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. And 4 times 5 is 20. So you can use equal groups to multiply, or you could use repeated addition, okay, adding the number 5 4 times to get 20. You could also add the number 4 5 times to get 20. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. Let's take a look at the next equation. So in this, this is the same as the last one. Let's take a look here at first at the equal groups equation. So first, when you're looking at equal groups, you want to find how many groups are in the picture. And I'm sure you could count the green groups for me. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. times the number in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6, or, I mean, if you think about it, it's 3 groups with 6 in each, so you're seeing 6 3 times, right? Let's go ahead and find the product of this multiplication equation, which would also be the total of our repeated addition equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. And that's also, this 18, it's going to be the product of our repeated addition equation. Let's check that out. So repeated addition is just adding the counters, the number of times that you have the groups. So there's 6 counters in each group, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Add 6 3 times. What is 6 plus 6 plus 6? Well, we know 6 plus 6 is 12, right? So we figured that out. So let's just do 12 plus 6 more. What's 12 plus 6 more? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. Do our total and our product match each other? Yes, because these two equations are equal to each other, right? 3 times 6 equals 6 plus 6 plus 6. You get the same answer when you solve both of these different equations. Let's check out the last page. So this is a select all problem or choose more than one problem, right? So it says, Sebastian counted 6 boxes with 4 kittens in each. Oh, can you imagine what that looks like? I can already see the 6 boxes with 4 kittens in each in my mind. Which equations represent how many kittens he counted? So when you guys see the word each, you know each, when you see it by itself, is usually a clue that you're going to be multiplying. Okay, and the other clue that we're going to be multiplying is it's talking about 6 boxes with 4 in each. I mean, that makes it, doesn't that make you think of the groups we just looked at on the last page? Can you imagine 6 boxes? With 4 kittens in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one got messed up. There we go. Oh, you can't see my little dots. Let me fix them real quick. So if we want to find which equations represent the situation that Sebastian describes, first we have to figure out what 6 times 4 is, right? And there's a few different ways to figure out 6 times 4. Maybe you already know 6 times 4 because you've been practicing your facts. Yay! Maybe you don't know 6 times 4 and you need to draw an equal groups picture like this to figure it out. Okay, if that's the case, we'll do that real quick. So 6 times 4 equals what? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's going to be good to know as we're looking for our answers here, right? So let's take a look at this very first answer that they give us. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. You know what that looks like with all those plus signs? I'm pretty sure that's repeated addition. Do you think adding 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the same thing as 24? Yeah, 6 times 4 is the same thing as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, and you can check your work. You know 6 plus 6 is 12 because you know your doubles. Add 6 more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that would make 18, and then add 6 to 18. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. So this repeated addition equation goes with this multiplication equation down here. So we know that this is an answer. X's and M's. I know it's been a while. Okay. What about 6 times 4 is 28? Is that true? No. Good thing we checked our answer down here because you know they love to put tricks like this in here for you. How about this next one? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24. That's repeated addition, right? But is that true? Does 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 24? No. If you add 4 times, you get 16. This 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is really like saying 4 times 4, which equals 16. So this can't be an answer, and they just put it in there to trick us. What about the next one? 24 times 4 equals 6. Do you see what's awful and terrible and wrong about this answer? I know you do because you've learned this in my class, right? That when you multiply, the product, the big number, should never come at the beginning. This is definitely not an answer. How about the next one? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 24. If you add 4 6 times, will you get 24? Yes, that's repeated addition. And you can check your answer too, right? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. And 20 plus 4 is 24. So we have another correct answer. Let's check out the last one. 6 times 4 equals 24. Boom, perfect, easy, right? We know that's going to be a correct answer. So for this question, we saw that there were 3 correct answers, and we stopped and took our time to think about each one before we selected, right? Don't just jump at an answer because you see numbers that you found in the question. That's all I have for you today. I'm so happy that I got to meet with you guys yesterday, the people who came. And if you didn't make it to my Google meeting yesterday, I hope you'll come to the one next week. I'm going to work out the kinks and figure it out, and maybe we'll play Kahoot. That would be fun, right? I'm going to keep practicing with Google Meet because I am learning too. So have a great day, guys.